What is up, fam? Happy Sunday. We are about to crack an Alani. And I'm gonna head to the gym to hit some legs. So, I'm gonna bring you along with me. I'm gonna bring you into the grocery store, show you some things that we eat on like a regular basis that are staples in our house. And we are going to hunker down because as a native Texan, it's about to get really cold here. It's already like 45 right now, and it's like 3 o'clock in the middle of the day, which is really cold for us. And it's supposed to get down to like 20 tonight, so I'm not made for that. So we're gonna cross our fingers and hope that it doesn't get too bad. So let's go hit legs. I had clean hair, so I straightened it. This wind today is just not helping me though. The lighting in here is terrible, but here are some things that I picked up. I didn't need to like buy a whole lot today, but we found these new chalupa little like doughs where all I have to do is heat them up. These are really good. Macros aren't great, but they're not terrible either. So we eat these now almost every week. The second thing that we eat almost every week without fail is Philly cheesesteaks. So I just buy inside skirt steak, and then I take it and I slice it really thin and just pan fry it with some onions and bell peppers, and then we put them on these little hoagie buns. So these are super great. And then the last thing that we eat almost every week on repeat is I use a roast. So like regular roast, it's cold right now, so we're eating it like roast potatoes and carrots, kind of like the home style way. You can take it and cut it up and make beef tips. We have used it and like did like pulled roast sandwiches, like grilled cheeses, stuff like that. So this is something that we eat almost every week. If you guys want to see any of these like recipes more in depth, let me know. Okay, I know we talked about these earlier, but this is what we are going to have for dinner because they're just that good. Okay, I didn't film an outro clip for you guys, but we are going to eat these amazing chalupas, watch the best show on the planet, and head to bed. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay, you guys, it is Tuesday. I have been in the house all day working on clearing out my phone, iCloud, doing some like digital cleanup. Which took me way longer than I would have liked, but we are gonna go to the gym, get in a back lift, and then come back home and make some macro-friendly chili and cornbread. I'm gonna try to vlog for you a little bit in the gym, but it's closing early because they think we're gonna get some snow tonight, so everything is just like shutting down and coming to a halt here in Texas. So let's go hit the gym. I'm gonna try to make this really quick because I am 99.9% sure I broke my toe. It is really bad, so, and it hurts to stand up and like walk around, which is not great for me. So really quick, chili, I'm gonna take some ground beef, red kidney beans and tomato paste. I'm gonna water this down with some water because I have paste, not sauce, and then a chili packet. Take this, brown the meat, dump in the tomato sauce, add a little bit of water to thin it out, make it a little more soupy. Drain the beans. I'm gonna add those in with this, let it simmer for a little bit. Easy peasy. I like to use low fat ground beef so that it is a little more macro friendly. And then I am going to make some cornbread. So I'll give you like a little clipsy of me making all of this, but my plan was to do something a little more way in depth, but the pinky toe said no. So let's make some chili. It is Tuesday. We are at the park. It snowed here in Texas last night and is like actively snowing. So we're the crazy dog parents that bundled up and brought our dogs out to the park. So we are out here gonna play with the boys for a little bit, and then the gym opens at noon, so we're gonna go get a lift later. Okay, so I'm in the car waiting for Drew. We're on this really creepy road by our house, that's why I won't get out. We started building our snowman, and we didn't really have any sticks long enough to his liking for the arms. For said snowman competition that's like non-existent. No, everyone in the neighborhood is just building snowmans because it's Texas and we don't get snow. And he is just, we have like taken it to a whole new level. Y'all please look at him.
Do you think his, like, should it just be a straight stick or should the end be?
It needs some flair so it looks like he has fingers. Okay, we're cracking a Lonnie. I was on the way to the gym. I ate a piece of cookie cake as a pre-workout. 10 out of 10 recommend, but look, it's called balance, okay? We're doing the best that we can. I was on the total struggle bus. I don't know why this clip doesn't have sound. I'm showing you my new press-ons that I put on last night. They are the coffin-shaped ones, but I took them and I cut them down because I just can't do long nails like that anymore. But I did head to the gym, left my tripod, so I can't really show you any of that, but I am going to speed through me making dinner because why not? I know you want to see. Okay, so we ate some dinner. I am starting to wind down and write in my journal. Today was such a fun day with the snow and everything here in Texas. So if you are a journal person and you love to write in your journal, something that I started doing is adding pictures into my journals, and I really like it. I bought this little Polaroid camera printer that like Bluetooths to your phone. You just print all of your pictures straight from there. It's really great for putting them into the journal, little things like that. I will link it in the description box so you guys can try that out for your journals, but I am going to sign off for tonight and we will see you tomorrow. Happy Wednesday. Everything is getting back to normal here in Texas. Snow has melted, people are out and about. So I am at the gym right now. I'm about to go get my own personal workout. And then after this, I am going to teach my first suckle class. So I'm really excited about that. I will try to take some clips of that if I can, but we're not allowed to like film the members. So we'll see how it goes. And yeah, that's it. I hope you have a great day. I did film a little like sped up get ready with me, so I'll put that in after this. If you want to see my like go-to gym makeup, let me know and I can get that done for you. But otherwise, happy Wednesday, go crush it. Original. Okay, happy Friday. I am fully aware that I completely skipped Thursday. So I basically had like a 12-hour work day yesterday. By the time I got off of work, I picked up a pizza on the way home because I was not about to cook. I was done for. So nothing really good to show you yesterday. I apologize. But it's Friday. We are gonna go get a good lift, end the weekend off, or end the week with a bang. I don't really have any good outfits to show you. I don't have a whole lot of makeup on today. I threw a little bit of concealer on to make me look a little more alive, but that's pretty much it, and some mascara. So today is one of those days that like we're just going into the gym to like, we're going get some stuff done, okay? But after this, I am going to do an everything shower because his hair is super greasy, needs to be washed. And I'm going to apply some self tanner. So I'll show you guys the self tanner that I use and how I do that. But for now, let's go in and get a lift. Original. Happy Saturday. So because I slept in my self tanner and I snoozed just a little bit too long, I was running late to the gym. So I didn't film anything this morning or in the gym, but I am back home now, got me a shower. We are going to do a little Saturday reset, change the sheets, put some laundry away, clean my room, just like get everything ready for the start of a new week tomorrow. So we are going to do that in super fast mode. Here we go. Getting a little bit hungry. I already had some lunch, so I'm gonna make myself a little protein shake because I know I haven't hit my protein goal for at least the last 2 days. So, some milk. We're gonna keep it really simple today. And because it goes protein, I do really like this. Just shaking up with milk for like something quick, just to get it down. Okay, I finished my protein shake. I am about to sit down and edit this vlog for you so that I can get it posted. Thank you guys so much for tagging along if you made it this far. I don't know why these vlogs are just very like, they're fun to me because it makes me feel like I'm not the only person in the world that like does laundry and goes to the gym and then comes home and plays with their dogs. So I hope you guys have a great week and we'll see you next time. Bye.